This video, we're just going to cover over LinkedIn, and again, important piece of the puzzle. Very similar setup: profile picture, banner, bio and flow page, company website, and then maximize your connections per day. So this is how you build your brand, how you get your message out there, how people start looking at you. So LinkedIn is kind of the person behind the business. So as you can see, your banner here. Again, on Canva, just type in LinkedIn banner. It'll give you the exact size, and then you can start planning it. So we've got a mixture of everything, you know, the groups that we use for Luke Holmes, the groups that I've got for the training, and, you know, what we do. I've got in excess of 5,000-6,000 connected. Again, you know, LinkedIn works a bit like Instagram with the hashtags. So you want to be making sure that you're hashtagging, you know, about us, and then you want to be posting regularly, good activity, you know, make sure that your followers are seeing what you're doing. And with regards to connections, if you go to your network, what we do is on a daily basis, we go and find people. So in here, you could put, let's just say landlord. And on that, and I think you get your boxes up here. So we want people. So Ian Simpson, landlord in Newcastle, property landlord, you know, connect. You can add a person node, blah, blah, blah. We're just going to send that. We're going to connect to him to verify. Some people ask you for their email just like this dude, but don't worry about it. Just move on to the next one, connect, send. You know, so that's all you do, and it'll tell you when you've hit too many. So it'll give you, you know, on a daily basis, it'll say you've had too many connections for today. So quick 5 minutes routine, just get at 50 to 75, whatever it might be. Just try and connect with as many people as you can in your area, and then post good, valuable content. Have your profile set up correctly so that when people do, you know, when you connect with them, first thing they're going to do is jump on your profile and have a little scout around. So what we're looking for, blah, blah, blah. Again, contact info, got your flow pages in there, website, your number, email address, contact us. So that's all we're doing, building brand awareness, getting yourself out there, making sure you're present. And LinkedIn is another great way to try and find investors, landlords, and some good quick deals. Hope it helps. Again, drop your profiles into the group. Ask people to follow you. Ask people to connect with you. The more connections you make, the bigger and quicker you're going to, you know, the quicker you're going to get bigger. So it's all about getting yourself out of obscurity. This whole business setup is about getting yourself out of obscurity. So take the action, post everywhere, get set up, post it in the groups, and then class this as done and tick it off as complete.